everybody for coming tonight, and I thank you. First of all, Mr. Erwan Loglonik from Anthogyr, he will tell a little bit about the history of the company.
So hello everybody, and thank you for coming. I also want to thank Dr. Gary for the organization of this event. And as he said, I am Mr. Erwan Loglonik from Anthogyr company. And I will try to quickly introduce you to our company in a few slides. Hopefully you'll have a better understanding of who we are and what we do. Basically, Anthogyr is a French company dedicated to dentistry. We design, we manufacture, and we distribute dental implants and instruments all over the world. And if you have to take something back home, basically it's that we are an independent, family-owned company still today, which means that we decide for ourselves our strategy. We have more than 65 years experience in the field and 35 years of expertise in implantology. And we are a famous French manufacturer known for the quality and reliability of its products. I'll quickly go through the key dates of the company. So as you will see, the company has been founded in 1947, just after the Second World War. And we started with manufacturing of instrumentation, basically contra-angles. And most of the dentists started to ask Anthogyr for those products, as it was not available anymore in Germany, which was the first choice before that. In 1981, the company started the manufacture of dental implants for other companies, for third parties. So as you can see, it's quite a long time now. In 1992, we launched our first motor for implantology. It was called Expert Unit, and we still have, of course, motors in our range of products today. And in 1995 was the first big switch in the company, where Anthogyr decided to launch its own brand of implants. Then in the year 2000, the company creates an institute called Anthogyr Implants Institute, which is basically a training center for our users. In 2007, sorry about that. In 2007, the company switches its head office to a new site to accommodate the bigger staff that we have, and that was representing a big investment for the company, of course. And now we are still sitting in this new modern site. And in 2009, the company launched the actual range of implants called Axiom. It's a new concept of implants, which are still today available. Meanwhile, in 2012, the company acquires a company called Jeddah, which is a CAD/CAM company based in Luxembourg and specialized in customized prostheses. And today, the staff of the company is over 300 employees, and we export to more than 100 countries. And during all those years, the company has created branches in Benelux, in Germany, in Italy, in Brazil, in China, and also in the US. So basically, the big turn for Anthogyr was in the year 2000, where we really decided to focus on the implantology field. And focusing on the implantology field means a lot of resources, a lot of investments in the human resources, of course, to have a proper marketing department, to have new engineers for the R&D, for the quality control. Well, it involves many new people for the company. It also involves a research team of experts that help us develop the product. And it involves, of course, equipment. So it means a lot of investment in the new machines, in cleaning lines, in decontamination rooms, in clean rooms, in surface treatments, automatic machines, and so on and so forth. And this is a small picture of the company. As you can see, we are down the mountains. We are located in the French Alps, about 50 kilometers away from Geneva, in the valley that is really specialized in the micromechanics. It's a very modern industrial site. So here we have all the manufacturing side, we have the R&D, we have the marketing, we have the salespeople, we have the training, we have everything there. It's almost 10,000 square meter sites, as I mentioned, with high-tech equipment, and of course with constant investments to ensure the product quality. So we can say that Anthogyr is a global solution today in implantology. We have a complete product solution that involves implant systems with the Axiom range. We will develop this point a bit later. We have implantology devices, instruments that goes around the implants, like a motor, for example. We have guided surgery. We have a CAD/CAM solution with this company called Jeddah. And we have also instruments dedicated to general dentistry. But we also offer services. And mainly in the services, I will highlight the Anthogyr Implant Institute, which is our training center with experts collaborating with us to perform training to our users. So I'll quickly review the products very quickly because I think Dr. Ottman will develop that later. Basically, on the implants side, we have three products. One implant called Axiom Reg for regular, one Axiom PX for post-extractional, and one Axiom 2.8. So the regular is basically for almost all indications. The post-extractional is for immediate placement and for soft bone. And the 2.8 is for restricted mesiodistal space in the incisive sector. For the regular and PX on one side, we have one unique conical connection, most tapered connection, so it's hermetic, fully hermetic and stable connection of diameter 2.7. Those two implants have a common prosthetic range, which is very practical. And we have one common surgical kit, okay? Very easy to use and small kit for those two implants. And for the 2.8, we have a conical connection also with the diameter 2, a prosthetic and a surgical, prosthetic range and a surgical kit of its own. For the CAD/CAM solution, we offer a solution for all indications, both implant and tooth supported teeth. We have an open solutions for every dental laboratory. Whether or not they are equipped with scanner, we can work with them. And we work with all kinds of materials: titanium, zirconia, IMAX, PMMA, PIG, cobalt chromium, etc., etc. So this Jeddah has been purchased by Anthogyr in the year 2012, but it has been on the market for many years, and you really have a team of experts that is ready to help in finding solutions to your customized prostheses. We also have a guiding system which works with the software Implant Pro. You might know this software as it's one of the market leader. For the guide manufacturing, we work with Materialize, and we provide a dedicated surgical kit, again for placement of Axiom Regular and Axiom PX. So in terms of instruments for implantology, we have implanteomotor,